Hey guys, this is a quick video. You got a transfer package and you want to import it into a SAS Viya server. This is what you do. Go over to Manage Environment. This takes you to an application called Environment Manager. You have your transfer package sitting somewhere on your system. In my case, it happens to be in my download folder, which is why you're seeing it here, but it might be anywhere in a folder on your laptop. Click on this button. It says import and it helps you import a transfer package. Select your transfer package. This was the transfer package I wanted to import. I'm about to import a transfer package which would create a folder called runtime control example within public in my SAS content. This folder will contain a SAS Studio flow called runtime control of SAS Studio custom steps example flow. It also contains a subfolder which contains two custom steps that are used inside this flow. Click on mapping. Lets you know if the transfer package makes use of any tables in the server. In my case, I do make use of two tables, but they're created within the flow and therefore they don't exist yet. Click on import, and after a short while, you'll notice that all components have been imported successfully. Alright, we find that it has imported successfully, and you see that all components are in fact inside my environment. When you move over here to SAS Studio and go over to the SAS content system, you'd find that there's a new folder that's created here called runtime control example. It contains a flow. It contains two custom steps. When you open the flow, you would notice that it makes use of those two custom steps. All right, that's all I wanted to show.